Yes, sir, it's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. We're going to give you guys the hot plays I'm going to be looking at going into tomorrow, go over today, and also just see what's going on and share our opinion on the overall market. Also, if you're new here, make sure you're not using a margin account. Turn your account into a cash account and using margin. That's how you get stuck. You get caught up slipping in the trade and can't get out. Now you're losing money. You can't trade anymore. You done use all your trades. Blase, you shouldn't be using leverage anyway. Because if you're using leverage, that means you're using too much money. If your money ain't enough, you're getting too far deep in. Now your emotions are involved. You can't let the play really play itself out because you more so focus on the money instead of the move in the chart because you got too much into it. You two different things, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, make sure you get that right. Also, remember to size down. If you frustrated, if you having L's, you taking losses, everybody go through it. Even the best people, the best traders, people that's making millions, they all have their ups and downs. They can have a bad week, even a bad month. But the thing is, whenever you have those moments, you got to step back, size down completely. Start trading smaller. You get what I'm saying? Because if you can't turn, people love to say, oh, I just need $1 million. I flip it to 10 million, 100K, flip it to $1 million. You heard that before. No, they won't. They will not. Because the same principles and mindset that it requires to turn a little bit into a little bit more is the same thing going to be with turning a lot of money to a lot of bit more. You know what I'm saying? So if you can't flip 1,000 to 2,000, you ain't gonna be able to flip 100K to 200 or $1 million to 2 million. The same mindset, the same principles is going to require the same thing. So if you can't flip, you know what I'm saying, $100 to 200 in the market, don't try to flip 10,000 to 20,000 because you're going to have the same rules, the same system, you know, be the same kind of discipline, all that. Even though I can say with more money it's going to be easier because you can maneuver a little bit more, but still though, you ain't even gonna know how to do that or even have the mindset to move with that money if you never had it before. So you're gonna fuck it up. So anyways, you already know, stay grounded, learn as much as you can before you even think about the money. Think about the skill set that you can acquire. The best way to make money in the market is by not losing money. So if you can protect yourself and not lose bread, you'll make more money. So let's go ahead and take a look at AMD stock soars 9% on strong growth projections as CEO Sue calls AI spinning the right gamble. Yeah, for sure. AI stocks and crypto definitely going to be the move. Shout out to my guy Frank. He made $1,500. My boy held just a little longer. That was on the SPY puts. I made a little bit on the SPY puts, but as soon as I got out after making my gains, it dropped way, way further. Like I expected it, but you know, you can't play around too much with the market, especially when there's a lot of uncertainty. I want to be very, very, watching my positions like a hawk, ready to get out for a small loss or ready to get that gain. When the market is more easier, more clear, you know what I'm saying? Because just like when it dropped, what it do? It reversed. It went right back up. You feel me? If you ain't locked in, that's what I'm saying. So you got to be on point. When the market is easier, of course, I can feel it. I can sense it. I see it. So I let plays, hang around a little longer. Right here, I said watch the drop, 682.90 break, and fall sharp. Stop at 684. So someone had commented and said the stock was kind of higher. The stop loss was high or something. It's going to be a little higher whenever, but for the risk reward. Because if I would have stayed in as long as I expected to, or the move would have happened as quick as I expected it to, because it literally happened seconds after I got out. So I was on time. And basically the reward of what I was anticipating was far greater than the risk. So even though the risk was up there, do you see how much it dropped from that point to where it dropped to? That was a lot. So if this was a normal day, because I'm expecting this. I told you guys last night on the video, big move incoming. If SPY break below, this is going to happen. So if I'm already expecting this, I'm anticipating on a bigger move, I'm going to risk a little more. If this is a regular intraday on a Monday, Tuesday, the market ain't moving that much, it'd have been much, much more tighter. So going into tomorrow, I'm going to have UnitedHealth on my radar. If UnitedHealth break below 337, this thing could tank back down. But above 343, this thing could rip. I also wouldn't be surprised for it to, flatline like it kind of is in after hours and stuff like that. Pretty much consolidate before its next move. But I'm going to be watching it though. Oracle, This right here is in the buy zone territory. That 226, between 223, 226, I'm gonna be looking to start getting into position with calls, depending on how the market is tomorrow. The market sell off harder. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just watch it because the market was up. This possibly could trade the opposite of the market. The market could come down and this go back up and start to recover. So I'm gonna be watching this. This is in the buy zone. I use that 223 as a defense. Under 223 could fall even lower. But I'm gonna definitely be looking at Oracle easily $10, $15 jump from here. And even more if we, but just for the short term. This is definitely a banger. Banger. Remember, we talked about Lyft. Lyft ended up doing good. What's the other one today? If you guys got, what was that stock? Open Door Technologies. That's an old graph chart, but that did good today. What I told you last night. I'm also be watching Tesla and Coinbase tomorrow as well. But I gave you the main plays I'm gonna be looking at. So you guys already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BHShow_. Feel free to hit me up for a one-on-one phone call. VIP. Just hit the third tier. Go to the home page, click join. The third tier, they give you access to every single play we get in and out of. The last tier exclusive, they give you access to the plays, learning, one-on-one help from me. So you already know what to do. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.